What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got Dade City Motocross, September 30th, 2023. This is Moto 2 Under the Lights. Yes, Dade City runs night races. It's really neat. It's kind of cool. Weather-wise, too, it's actually kind of cool, especially during these summer heats. Old Tony Verano taking the whole shot. Again, another moto. These guys are sketchy at best, doing all kinds of stuff to try and get by each other. Good grouping, good battles. Love watching these guys race. This track was set up really well for them. Some guys are killing these triples, some guys are hitting doubles. The wings on these guys are absolutely amazing. Love watching the quads race. Dirt bikes are a lot of fun too. The quads just got something a little extra to them. Got that extra weight, and Jesus Christ, Tony, you're just killing that triple in the back. You got the booter up here, and a typical wheelie through the whoops, old Verano style. Nick Corelli chasing him down. Nick was all over Tony all night. It was good watching these guys battle. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, 80 to 90% of the people watching these videos aren't subscribed, so you might want to reach down and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on build content, educational build stuff, race content, ride content, all kinds of off-road fun. Sometimes I find some neat little memes and shorts. We'll throw them up there too. Stupid funny things. At least reach down, hit that like button. Get a little bit of interaction going. If you feel like it, go ahead, throw a comment down in there. Tell me what you think of these races. You guys race quads, you race trikes, dirt bikes, you ride in the woods, track, backyard. Let me know. Throw it down in the comments. Don't be shy. I also do live streaming. Not so much on this channel. The Sawyer Custom Gaming channel, on the other hand, does do a bit more live streaming. I found that at least I can occupy my time with the video games while I'm streaming to nobody. So come, hang out, talk. You got mechanical questions, ride questions, whatever. Come hang out, have some fun, some laughs. Be good to see you. I'm going to jump off here, let you guys listen to these motors rip for a while. Got a few more laps, a few more minutes. Enjoy it. Watch time is key, so watch these things as long as you can. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out. The more you watch it, the longer you watch it, the more people it gets pushed out to. Trying to get to some goals here. Hit 4,000 watch hours. We already hit 5,000 subscribers. It's a wonderful thing. Just got to get the time up. Alright, we're coming up on the end of the video. Really appreciate you guys that have made it this far. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead, throw a little smiley face or something down in the comments. Let me know that you watched as far as you could. Got more races coming, 4 more left of the season. So look forward to those. I'm going to put some videos up here to link to Moto 1 and practice. Go ahead, click on those. If you want to watch those, really appreciate it, guys. If you're in this race, throw a comment down there and tell me what number you were. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.